In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam community ID, profile ID, or Steam ID. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the Steam app on your computer. We'll use the built-in menus so you don't need any external tools or websites. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your long numeric Steam ID and your public-facing community ID that appears in your profile link. Start by opening Steam and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click your profile, the area that shows your avatar and account name. This opens a small menu. From here, choose Account Details. This takes you to your account overview page inside Steam. On the Account Details page, look just under your display name. You'll see your Steam ID listed there. It's typically a long numeric string, often 17 digits, and it uniquely identifies your account across Steam. If you need to share it with a support team or paste it into a game's whitelist form, you can carefully highlight it with your mouse and copy it. Keep in mind, this number is tied to your account identity and doesn't change. Next, let's locate your community ID, the piece that appears in your public profile URL and is easiest to share with friends. Click your profile again at the top right to open that same menu, then choose View My Profile. This opens your public profile page exactly how others see it. On your profile page, find and click the Edit Profile button. This brings you to your profile settings area where you control how your page looks and how its link is formed. In the General section, look for the Custom URL field. The text shown here is your community ID, the readable part that appears at the end of your profile link. If it's already filled, that's the custom address you can share, like steamcommunity.com/ID your custom name. If it's blank, Steam will use a numeric profile link instead. You can set a custom one here if you want something memorable. Just remember that changing this will change the link others use to reach your page, so only update it if you're comfortable sharing a new URL. To recap, your long numeric Steam ID is on the account details page beneath your name, and your community ID lives in the custom URL field inside Edit Profile. The first is good for technical uses and certain third-party tools. The second is perfect for sharing your profile with friends or linking in communities. That's it. Quick, clear, and all within the Steam app. If this helped, save the video for later, and I'll see you in the next one.